The YESWELDER MIG 205DS Pro delivers comprehensive welding capability through 5-in-1 multiprocess functionality combining gas MIG, flux core MIG, spool gun aluminum MIG, lift TIG, and stick welding within professional design. This advanced 200-amp welder operates on dual-voltage 110V/220V, enabling flexible deployment throughout diverse workshop and field environments without requiring power infrastructure modifications. The advanced digital display provides clear parameter visualization, enabling intuitive operation and confident setting management. The IGBT inverter technology, delivering 30 to 205 amp output, ensures reliable performance and stable arc characteristics throughout all welding processes. We share by links in description box. The sophisticated synergic MIG control automatically adjusts voltage and wire feed speed based on amperage or material thickness selection, simplifying operation while enabling manual fine-tuning for experienced welders. The spool gun compatibility through optional LBT 150 spool gun enables professional aluminum welding without extensive equipment investment. The automatic protection functions guarding against overcurrent, overvoltage, and overheating ensure user safety and equipment longevity. The comprehensive capabilities encompassing steel, aluminum, and stainless steel welding demonstrate exceptional material versatility. The 200-amp maximum current capacity provides substantial welding power suitable for professional applications. The straightforward assembly with included accessories enables rapid deployment. The excellent customer satisfaction demonstrates consistent performance across diverse applications. The outstanding value combining 5-in-1 functionality, dual voltage, 200-amp capability, advanced synergic control, aluminum welding support, and professional engineering establishes this welder as exceptional choice for serious professionals and enthusiasts requiring maximum welding versatility.